Oh. Question number 51. Question number 51. Suppose the elements x and y combine to form two compounds. X and y combine to form two compounds. xy2, x3y2, xy2, x3y2, x3y2. When 0.1 mole of xy2, 0.1 mole of xy2 weighs 10 gram, and 0.05 mole of x3y2, 0.03 mole of x3y2 weighs 9 gram. The atomic mass of x and y are. You have to find out atomic mass of x and y equal to moles. This is the question. So we have to find out atomic mass of x and y. Okay. Let A equal to atomic mass. Let A equal to atomic mass. Then see, first for xy2, I will write for xy2. It is a molecule, just like BaCl2. And atomic mass of Ba, atomic mass of Cl we know, but x and y we don't know. That you have to find out. Now for xy2, mole equal to mass by molecular mass. Mole equal to mass by molecular. This is standard formula. Then mole is given, mass is given in the questions here with respect to xy2. With respect to xy2, and with respect to yes. xy2 value more 0.1, mass 10 gram by molecular mass of xy2. How to write? Yes, I told A is atomic mass. Then molecular mass A x plus 2 into A y. Two atoms of y, one atom of x. Two atoms of y, one atom of x. But A equal to atomic mass. This is called molecular mass, because molecular mass equal to sum of the atomic mass of all the elements present in one molecule. That is called molecular mass. So I written like this. Then, or we can write Ax plus 2 Ay equal to this here 0.1 here. Therefore, 10 by 0.1 is 100. Then this is equation 1. Equation 1. Similarly, for x3 y2, for x3 y2 we can write. Similarly for x3 y2. Okay, start from this. Mole given 0.03 mole. 0.03 mole equal to then mass 9 gram divided by yes x3 3 mole of AX plus 2 mole of AY, or like this, 3AX plus 2AY equal to, just to observe here, 9 by 0.03. 9 by 0.03. Then how much you get? 9 by 3. 9 by 0.03. 9 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. 3 ones are 3 threes are. 3 into 10 to the power 2 moles. Just to see moles given, sorry, 0.1 mole, 0.05 mole is given, not 0.3. This is 0.05. 0.05 mole. 0.05 mole. 5 into this is 9. 9 by 5. 9 by 5 into 10 raised to 2. Then we get answer 1.8. That value Hmm. 9 by 0.05. 5 into 9 by 5. 9 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 1.8 into 10 to the power 2. Then 180. So its value 0.059. This value found to be 180. 9 by 0.05 equal to 180. Next, this is our second equation. From equations 192, now see what we can do. Equations 192. From 192, 100, 180. Now subtract these two, 2 and 1. 3AX minus 1AX, 2AY minus 2AY, these two cancel. Therefore we get 3AX minus 1AX equal to 2AX. 2AX, that is equal to 180 minus 100. Then answer 80. 180 minus 100 equal to 80. Then 2 ones are 2 fours are. Therefore, atomic mass of X equal to 40. Atomic mass of X equal to 40. Or our aim is to find out atomic mass of X and Y. Once you get X value, then easily you can find out Y value. And that X value you can substitute in equation 1 or 2, so answer we get. Therefore, AX 40 plus 2 AY equal to 100. Equal to 100. Then 2 AY equal to 40, you take this side. Then you get answer 60. 2 ones are 2 30s are. Therefore, AY equal to 30. See here. Atomic mass of X equal to 40 and Y equal to 30. So that is given in option number 1. X equal to 40, Y equal to 30. Now there are other methods also given. Here for molecular masses, for 1 mole XY2 and for 0.1 mole how much, that type also we can calculate. Finally we get same answer, 40 for atom X and 60 for 30 for atom Y. So these are some of the important question you can solve or you can practice well 2-3 times. Next question. 52. Question number 52. A mixture of gases contain H2 and O2. H2 and O2. Two gases are there in the ratio of 1:4. Ratio of 1:4. What is the molar ratio of the two gases in the mixture? Find out molar ratio. Molar ratio, moles of H2 by moles of O2, you have to find out. This is the question. Find the molar ratio of H2 and O2. H2, but here they give 1:4 by mass, that indicate 1 gram of hydrogen and 4 gram of oxygen given. Therefore, 1 by molecular more meaning mass by molecular mass of hydrogen 2 and N of O2, molecular mass of O2 is atomic mass of O2 is or mass of O2 given is 4 and by molecular mass of O2 equal to 32. Next, 1 by 2 into 32 by 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 8 4 so 32. This is therefore N of H2 by N of O2 equal to 4 by 1. Therefore 4:1. 4 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen present in the reaction mixture. So hence answer 2. Then next question. Question number 56. Question number 56. 1 gram of carbonate M2CO3. M2CO3. This is a 1 gram given in the question. 1 gram. 1 gram of metal carbonate on treatment with excess of HCl. Excess of HCl. Then it can form MCl plus H2O plus CO2. So this is general equation like sodium carbonate, Na2CO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus water plus CO2 and here 2M multiplied by 2Cl to HCl over. But in some cases questions reactions are not given and that you have to write based on the basic concepts or valency reaction method etc. Next, 1 gram of metal carbonate on reaction with excess of HCl produce 0.01186 mole of CO2. Then they give 0.01186 mole of CO2. The molar mass of M2CO3 is molar mass of M2CO3 is. Okay, 1 mole gives 1 mole. 1 mole M2CO3 equal to 1 mole CO2. This is theory by definition or by equation. This I written. But when the experiment is carried out, so we get only 0.01186 mole of CO2. And for that mole is this you write first 0.01186 mole, that is given in the question. But 1 mole of sodium, metal carbonate, and mole, many times I told mole formula, mass by this mole formula, mass by molecular mass. And mass of this given in the question 1 gram. Molecular mass of M2CO3 you have to calculate 0.01186. Therefore, molecular mass of M2CO3 equal to this one right here and this one here, 1 by 0.01186. Or now very simple tricks I told here. First I written equation and based on the moles. But theory says 1 mole gives 1 mole. Both are equal. And mole of CO2 given in the question paper. And mass also given, mass of the M2CO3 given. And finally we can calculate molecular mass because they are asking molar mass. If it is molar mass, write in grams. Molar mass write in grams. Therefore answer we get 84.3 gram. So why to represent by gram? Because they are asking molar mass. Molecular mass in gram, that is called molar mass. So this is also important question. Then another question number 57. Question number 57. If 3.01 into 10 raised to 20 molecules, 3.01 into 10 to the power 20 molecules are removed from, this is removed, they are removed from 98 mg of H2SO4. 98 mg of H2SO4. The number of moles of sulfuric acid left. Number of moles of H2SO4 left equal to how much? Yes, this you have to find out. This last question is moles. Means whatever there in the what question, molecules given or mass is given, convert into mole. Okay. Then so there is a beaker containing 98 milligram of sulfuric acid. 98 milligram of sulfuric acid. From that, only few molecules included. But molecule we cannot see. And how to remove molecules it is not possible. Hence we can convert into mole. Then moles can be removed. 1 mole, 2 mole, 3 mole, that can be removed. Therefore, now we will convert this into mole. 3.01 into 10 to the power of 20 by Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 equal to. See here. 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 by 5. 1 by 2. Take this up. 5 into 10 to the power minus 4. 10 raised to minus 23, 10 raised to plus 20, 10 raised to minus 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then 1 by 2 value 0.5. Then 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. Right, this is mole. I convert into mole. Or we can write 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Both are same. Meaning same. Similarly, convert 98 mg milligram. Why to write here 10 to the minus 3? Because while writing moles, Here we have mass in gram, not milligram, kilogram, convert into mass in gram. Milli value I written 10 to minus 3 and 98. This is mass and molecular mass of sulfuric acid also 98. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid equal to 98. Then 10 raised to minus 3 mole. So I converted 98 mg into mole and molecules into mole. And now we can remove what 0.5 into 10 to the minus 3 mole from 10 raised to minus 3 mole of sulfuric acid. Therefore, number of moles left equal to, now higher mole 10 raised to minus 3 minus lower mole 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, 1 mole minus 0.5 mole, and 10 raised to minus 3 common, therefore 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole. Yes, first option 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole. Yes, it is also different type of question. One more question to solve from practice paper. Next question. Question number 27. Question number 27. The weight of lime obtained by heating 200 kg of 95% pure limestone, 95% pure limestone, and they are asking weight of lime obtained. Now, if it is given like this, first you write CaCO3 on heating undergo thermal decomposition to form CaO plus CO2. Then they are asking mass of CaO, but they give 200 kg of 95% pure CaCO3, but theory says 100 gram 40 plus 12 plus 48 40 plus 12 plus 48, total 100. 100 is the molecular mass of CaCO3 and CO molecular mass 40 plus 16, 56 gram. If you take 100 gram of CaCO3, we get 56 gram of CO. Then what is the meaning of this? 200 kilogram, 95% purity gram contain how much of what mass? Then this into this by this, therefore mass of CaO equal to, now you can see 10 raised to 2, then these two cancel, 95 double 190 into 10 raised to 3, 190 into 10 raised to 3. Hmm. 190 10 raised to 3 into 56 by 100. 100 gram, this much gram, how much? Then these two again cancel by 10, 2, then 56 into 19 into 100. Then we get answer 106.4 kilogram, convert into kilogram. Next. So in first paper, that is in multiple choice. There are two important questions. Two questions important. Question number 46 and 47. 46, 47. They are related with normality, molarities, etc. They are asking volume of water to be added to n by 2 HCl. This is the beaker. N by 2 HCl. Volume of water to be added to n by 2 HCl. There are some quantity of HCl is there. Then to make it 500 cc, 500 ml, this much, 500 ml, n by 10 solution, n by 10 solution, and what volume of water to be added? V of S2 equal to much. Yes. Now in a beaker, we have already 0.5 n HCl, and we are adding some quantity of water to get what? N by 10. N by 2 become n by 10. It's diluted. But how much water added, that you have to calculate. And there is one dilution formula. N1 V1 equal to N2 V2, or M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. That is called dilution formula. And this is before the dilution. Second, after the dilution. Before dilution, 1 by 2 normality, and volume we don't know. How much volume I have not written, that we calculate. And after dilution, volume 500. And after dilution, normality 1 by 10. Here, 1 by 10. 0, 0, 5. Then V1 equal to 500, because 50 into 200. Now here V1 equal to 2 comes here. Insert V1 equal to 100 ml. Yes. This volume I calculated. This volume equal to 100 ml calculated. Means in the beaker already 100 ml solution is there, but we made up to 500. Then how much quantity of water added, that you have to calculate. Therefore, volume of water added, but this is total volume 500 and 100 ml present in the beaker. Therefore, actual volume added 400. You have to add extra 400 ml in the beaker to get 500 ml solution. So this is based on the normality molarity. Then last one more question. 20 ml of 0.25 N strong acid. Question number 47. 20 ml 0.25 N strong acid. 0.25 N strong acid. 30 ml 0.2 N strong base. 30 ml 0.2 N strong base. 0.2 N strong base. Yes. Are mixed. The resulting solution is, when these two are mixed, what happens? These two are mixed in a beaker. What about the concentration? When these two solutions are mixed, then you have to find out the concentration. Whether it is acidic or basic, that we don't know. That you have to find out first. When you multiply these two, N into V for acid, N value 0.25, V value 20. 20 1/4 equal to 5. 1.25 is 1 by 4. 20 by 4 5. Similarly, n into V. N value 0.2. V value 30. 2 into 30 60. 60 by 10 because 0.2 by 10 6. And what this shows? Let it be n1 v1. It is n2 v2. So which value is more? But both are strong here. Strong. Like NaOH, HCl, both are strong. Then which ion is more? Whether base is more or acid is more? Concentration. So this shows base more than acid means N2 V2 greater than N1 V1 means OH ion greater than H plus ion. Then solutions are different, acid base. Therefore, in such case, OH ion concentration equal to N2 V2 minus N1 V1 by V1 plus V2. Even in the previous topic I told, if solutions are different, then you have to use this formula. Means you have to write subtraction. And N2 V2 value 6 minus N1 V1 value 5 by V1 plus V2 20 plus 30 50. 1 by 50. 1 by 50 value 1 by 5 0.02. 1 by 5.2 into 10 is power 10 is minus 1, again you get 0.02. N then more basic because solution is basic 0.02 N. So answer they give here. Second question number 46 answer 1 400 CMQ and 47 answer second 0.02 N basic. But even in fourth option they give 0.02 N acidic. But this is important. If you don't calculate this one, which is stronger, then we cannot say acidic or basic. And we proved here it is a basic solution, not acidic, basic solution. So this completes second unit, basic concepts of chemistry. All the points I told, plus problems based questions also I covered. And in the next video, I will explain about thermodynamics. That is the third unit.